Andrew does. You going in it? There you go. See you again.
Pretty filthy, but oh well. So, lift check. So yeah, it's pretty grim lift. Not very nice. But we go. Pretty slow. Here we go, here's ground level. Oh look, it's waiting for me. Well, pretty dirty lift.
Hey, should we go in it again?
Oh well, no. Not again, I'm not messing around again.
There's your barrier.
There you go. There's a 37. Misuse! Oh, actually, the amber light is still on, so I don't really blame them, to be honest. But that's misuse there. Thank you a lot.
Get on it. Get on it.
Alright, Harry. Alright, time now is 13:24. This is for your 13:26, 2 Papa 27 Northern service to Sheffield. And this is also for your 2 Kilo 35 East Midlands train service from Newark Northgate to Peterborough. Harry, stop it, please.
I didn't hear that because right over there, Ben.
Alright, so this is, I'll repeat it again, this is 2 Papa 27 Northern service to Sheffield, 13:26. And it's also, we're also double staying for 2 Kilo 35 East Midlands train service from Newark Northgate to Peterborough.
So we're going for a...
Yeah, so the first one's from that way.
Yeah.
It's the pace of buses.
Ben's my
Hello.
announcement.
Today we are joined by Jack. Jack's train
Ben.
subscribe to him. We're also joined by Harry O'Boyle.
Hello.
Hello, Harry.
Hi.
He's joined me in previous episodes if you've watched them. Like at Medland.
Let's go down to the crossing.
Yeah.
I do want to buy something.
Pacer bus will be out soon. Oh, new message from Andrew.
New message from Andrew as well. I'll be down there. Look at this alarm there.
Should be out in a second.
Look at this alarm.
2 minutes.
It's missing. I can't see it.
Come on. There she goes. This is a Pacer bus.
Here's the Pacer bus.
Pacer bus. Got 144 to Sheffield. And
Are we going to do the Brayford or
Oh,
are
yes.
we going to do a
If they
double
man's on a
stay?
block.
we're going to double stay hopefully. For 13:20.
Go on.
Yeah, let's cross over to this side so I can see the train. That didn't work. Alright. This should be 2 Kilo 35.
2 plus 2 was 4.
East Midlands train service from Newark
If they
Northgate
man's on a block.
to Peterborough.
What truth?
Harry's rapping.
See a girl in the park. That girl is an actress.
I wonder why these crossings don't out. Can't
The
they
thing
good
goes
people
grrrr.
have our barriers?
Pop, 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 pop. Let's get it all pop, pop.
Harry, should
Boom, boom, boom.
Sorry.
Skia. Boom, 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 boom. You're done now. The thing goes grrrr.
If this was Flying Scotsman, there will be a lot more people here. But yes, we are also here for the Colourful 37.
Guys, you're
Through a
gonna
bit
have
later.
to look up there when I get up there.
Right.
Okay?
Yeah.
Right, I'm gonna go up there now.
Here she is.
She's Emily.
15326. And 15331 on the rear. And that is to Peterborough from Newark Northgate. Skip back. Oh my god! Thanks guys for watching, see you next video.
Do you get someone now? Go on.
Right.
Central level crossing. Next train reaches our road again with a broken pedestrian light.
Oh yeah, it's broken. Yeah, time now 13:37. This is for your. Hang on. Bear with me. This is for your 13:37. City of 66. East Midlands train service to Leicester, and it's also for your 5.
Oh, I'm really hungry.
And it's also 5 kilo 35. East Midlands train service to Lincoln Central. This is around First one should be out.
I want some chicken.
Oh, Harry, that's grim. No, I'm here. I'm Got 153,357.
East Midlands train. 57357.
153,357 and 153,321.
Moving into
Is it going to Brayford or is it one of these stations?
We should be staying down, to be honest. Yeah, let's get over here.
Passion is my everything. Passion is my dream.
30.
Oh my word, is yours going at the same time?
30, 40.
Yeah, we start at the same time.
You started a second before.
Mr. Blue Sky. Mr. Blue Sky.
Mr. Blue Sky. Do you know to hold on to this?
Yeah. Of course you can. Bouncy. Remember that time when you was at Highcombe
Oh yeah.
Why don't you hold on to it?
and the barrier and Andrew wobbled the barrier like that?
Oh yeah.
And you was,
I remember that.
and you were staring at it with your tablet, weren't you?
I was like,
Oi, I'm holding on to the barrier still.
Gay. There it is.
No, watch my hand.
this she is. It's the 37s. This is the 37116 coming from, which is a freight train coming from 37116. Network Rail. It's a test train and 37254.
Freight train which is gay. And
37254 Cardiff Campus.
oi, my hand's still on it.
Get off, Harry. Harry's gonna go up.
like that. Will it just slip off?
That's what we'll see next video.
I've done up the top of the railway, that's it.
Fly down.
And pictures of us in the train.
Yeah, it's got a very long timer here.
Oh yeah, I want to see this.
Alright, time now is sorry, my phone keeps switching on and off. Time now is 13:47. This is for your 13:41. It's meant to depart for 13:48. This is your Network Rail test train from
This is your Network Rail test train
from Peterborough LIP to Derby to Derby RTC.
Derby RTC, and should we start moving?
Harry, stop it, please.
Come on.
That 158 has been in for ages.
Wait. Look at the view of the.
Here we go.
Over there.
Harry, here she goes.
A big like section.
Oh, whatever.
Here she goes.
Oh.
37254.
Imagine jumping on the train. Oh, I feel
That wouldn't be very good.
you'd fall off, wouldn't you?
Cross over. And I think we're going up. Don't know if Grace is going up. Up they go. And
Up they go.
go.
Thanks guys for watching. See you next video.